What is up, A team? Welcome back. Awesome here. Hope everyone's having an awesome day. Or not depending where, but I hope it is awesome. And yes, we are back at it today with some good old cryptocurrency news updates, XRP, you name it, dude. The markets are actually looking really, really good right now. Obviously, XRP is up 10 cents since this morning. Obviously, things have turned around. I mean, we're almost to 95,000 Bitcoin right now. And it's kind of crazy because there's mixed results in the markets right now. As you guys can go over and look at the stock market, the stock market's actually taking a huge dump, right? It's down 700 points on the Dow right now. Obviously, with the whole Trump getting arraigned, or the Trump hearing today, his sentencing, which basically came out to be a nothing burger, which we all thought it was going to be anyways. But at the end of this whole thing, we could see that there is a mixed results in the market. And it's kind of crazy to sort of see this, because usually what happens here, and again, I don't know if you guys have been, in how long you've been here, but usually when the stock market's not doing too good, the crypto market does well. And then somehow, some way, this has a potential to where it could actually flip and reverse, to where we have this pump in crypto and then we'll have a dump in crypto. That seems to be kind of what happens. So we'll see how today plays out. But I mean, people are out here making money right now. Like I said, XRP looking really good, sitting here at 235, just 234 right now. Top cryptos are looking fantastic. So overall, we're up 2.28% in the last 24 hours. So you can't be too upset about that. But with all that, I want to say what's up to everyone here in the chat. You guys have been chatting up here. So sorry if I missed your guys' thing. We got Big Watch Dude in the house here. Tall Paul, what's up, bud? Josh, good to see you, dude. Shib Armor's in the house. James, Jacob, what's up, Tony? Good to see you, man. Lags in the house here. Papa Don. We got Queef. What's up, bud? Yeah, you guys are awesome, dude. Appreciate you guys all being here, dude. Hunter, thank you guys very much. Sorry, I just go down the first one. We got Tim Shea. We got the mayor in the house here. Good to see you, man. Dusty, DM, Sean Parsons, Gilbert. And we're ready to rock and roll. Alexi, sweet, dude. Yeah, we're ready to go. We're ready to rock and roll, man. We're bringing in this Friday. Hope everyone's having a great Friday morning or afternoon or whatever it could be. I'm ready for today. We've got a lot of things going on tonight with everything. And yeah, Ripple's documents sealed by the judge. Thanks, Nick. Thanks so much for the $2, dude. Sealed by the judge. That's interesting. I wonder why they would be sealed. I'm not really too worried. We're going to talk about that. I actually talk about the lawsuit up here. There is some things right here about the lawsuit, talking about reveals the legal struggles and the silence he was forced into. So there's some things right here that we can talk about, or there's the interesting article talking about that. But yeah, very interesting. What I want to put out here is that the Dow tumbles 700 points, a strong jobs report likely to put brakes on Fed's rate cutting. So as you guys know, when we don't have rate cuts anymore, when they put the halt to a rate cut, it obviously is going to trigger the market. And as you guys can see right here, Bank of America says it's no longer expects the Federal Reserve to cut rates this year. So again, remember, we're talking about doing 2 rate cuts this year coming into the end of the year. Now we're saying that there could be no more rate cuts, which could be detrimental to a lot of this. So we'll see how it plays out. But in all reality, this is not the greatest sign. I told you guys last night that usually if we have above, if we our numbers are higher in terms of payroll, it's actually bad on the market. We actually want people to have less jobs. And that sounds really crazy that we do that. But in all reality, it's like you want the unemployment rate to be higher for some reason. Like that somehow is beneficial to the market. So right now we can see right here that it grew by 256,000 in December, and they were looking for it to be up to about 155. That's what they were expecting to see. And that's kind of wild. They were not expecting it to be up that high. And so obviously that took a tumble. It says rates are moving a little bit too much, too fast, and equity markets are selling off. So that's another big reason why the market has taken a downturn as well. This is pretty crazy. But with the stock market going down, as you guys can see, the stock market is obviously not looking too hot. NASDAQ's down 300 points, S&P down 85, and the Dow's down 632 at the time of this filming. But we go back and we look, and crypto's running, dude. Crypto's looking really good. Now the question is this a fake out, or are we going to see another downturn in the markets? I don't know. But one thing I do know for sure is that looking back at our chart here with XRP, dude, this 235 level, dude, has been this 225 level right here has been nice. Honestly, dude, go back and look at this, dude. We've hit this 225. This has been a perfect marker if you're swing trading right now. You know, we hit the 225 the other day on the Wednesday. It came down. We hit the 225 on Thursday. It came down. and we hit the 225 again on Friday. So again, if you're following this trend right now, you should be entering good market. I mean, we put this 225 there for a reason, and it's worked out perfectly on these swing trades. If you got into this at the swing trade right now, you're up a pretty good percentage right now. You're up roughly about another 4% on a swing trade. So, kudos to you that got in on this, but that 225 has been the marker for XRP. Thomas, thanks so much for the £2, man. Has Riley started XRP? Is anything new going on? There's some new stuff going on. There's some new stuff going on in terms of, we got the lawsuit coming out here. We're looking at a lot of the numbers that are coming in are doing really well, which is why we've been able to sort of stay at this level right here at this 230 level. We've been basically hovering this 230 level between 230 and 238 for almost 3 to 4 days now. So, and it's because the metrics have been really strong. And again, we'll go into here because there are some clues here that we could be having a breakout in the downward trend because we've hit some resistance here. But we'll see. Like I said, we're climbing right now, 235. So again, things are looking good for anyone that got in this morning. I think it was their last effort to keep Trump out of office. It probably was. What's up, Mashburn? Anthony, good to see you, dude. Patrick, awesome. Too many jobs causes inflation. Yeah, it's just crazy how that is, right? It's just crazy how we want people to have jobs. We don't want people on the unemployment side. Yet and then when we actually fulfill those jobs and make sure that people are actually working, it's actually detrimental to the markets. It's kind of crazy how that is, right? It's a weird anomaly in our system. So if we keep hitting it, eventually it will give and it will go lower. Yeah, we're probably going to, you can see right now the markets are looking really well, but this is a pretty big hit in the market right here. So it'll be interesting to see how this happens. It says 2 Trump crypto traders are in conflict and could derail headwind to the Bitcoin rally. Interesting. You got to sign in for that one though. That's a clickbait title. It's so crazy to see how CNBC now has really done well with clickbaits on there for crypto. It kind of cracks me up a little bit. So this is everyone hopes you're ready. She's gonna blow. We've been waiting for this moment all of our lives. What's up, Josh? Logan, thanks so much for the $1 super sticker, man. Appreciate that a ton. Thank you very much for the donation to the channel. Hey, happy Green Candle Day. Heck yeah. What's up, Diver Rob? Starseed, what's going on? $3 incoming. $3 incoming would be fantastic, dude. $3 incoming would be nuts. If $3 came in, dude, that would be a wild ride. I'm worried I missed the dip. Is it gonna go one last time before the 20th? A lot of people are. You can see the trend. This is a weird trend right now. Like I said, this is kind of an anomaly of a trend right here. We came down, we hit the 80, had resistance, came back down. We came up, tested the 50 again, got rejected, came back up. We're hitting now up here at the 60% on the RSI. Let me move your comment out of the way. And you can see right here that it'll be interesting to see if we get rejected again here at the 61. And if we do, I think that we could probably be in for a downturn. If we can bust through that, we could maybe create a new it's a mark. This is like a what's the word? This is just not normal for the trends that we've been seeing over the last literally over the last month and a half. This is the trends we've been seeing. And so then when you throw in this trend right here, it's kind of throws off what we're looking at here. So that kind of will change the way we look at the trading side of this. So yeah, like I said, yesterday we looked at these. When this happened last time, we've had some declines in the market. Last times when we go through here and we looked at the trends on the RSIs, we've had a decline in the market up to 28%. So, again, that could be 28% from here, which puts us like right around the 180. 28% puts us right around the 180 marker, somewhere in that park. But it's about 28% from the top up here. So if we go 28%, that puts us about 210 from here. And if we do the next marker down, I think it puts us about $2. So people are thinking about $2. $2 could be where we go down to if we were to go down. Some people are thinking like 180. Some people are thinking like right down here into this like 180 marker, 190 marker again. It'll be interesting to see how the fallout happens if it does. So I'm hoping it doesn't. I'm hoping it keeps going up. That's kind of what you want. I'd have no problem if we just broke out the $3 right now. It'd be insane. Hey Austin, what's your honest opinion on Dog with Hat? I mean, it's an established crypto. I just it's up there. It's just not it's in the top 100s. It's just a meme coin though, dude. Is it interesting rates new changes bull? What is it? Is this interest rate news a change to the bull cycle? Well, that just means we don't have any rate cuts coming in 2025. We were expecting 4 at the end of. That's why we had this crash and if you guys don't remember, the FOMC meeting came out here, right? Boom, FOMC meeting right here. We had this crash from the FOMC meeting because they basically said we went from 4 rate cuts down to 2, and then now they're saying that we're not going to potentially have any. So it's a bull trap. You think it's a bull trap? Need a big pump incoming soon. It's because the new crypto president is now free from all legal cases. That's true. This is their last. This is the last one that they could hang their hat on. And like it says right here, Trump sentenced to unconditional charges in the hush money and avoid jail time. So, he still came out swinging though. He still, if you read it, he still came out swinging, saying that it was, it's a complete witch hunt. So, fake out or breakout. I think for me personally, I'm kind of, it's kind of mixed right now, but these trends right here are telling me that we're probably, we probably will have I mean, personally, if you ask me, dude, we want this to come down to be able to create this new high. So like coming down here to like this 215, even this $2 range allows us to then create a new high, right? If we keep building up here into inauguration day, we could, I don't want it to be inauguration day comes and we have this dump. I want it to be like build up to inauguration day, maybe a little pressure, sell pressure right here to when inauguration day comes, we come up like this. Like that's kind of how I wanted to do it. But again, maybe that's the selfishness in me is that I want this to, and again, we can look at where this is going. I mean, we're in a sort of a downtrend, it's going to kind of come to a peak. You can see if we drew a line across here and a line down, I mean, we're trending downward, right? We're trending down to this like 214, maybe $2 range. And I would much rather have that to where we take off then versus we start taking off here and then we sort of like stale out and come down. That's kind of what I want, but what do I know? Had a really bad day. I need to retrace back to $2. I think a lot of people want that swing trade. That one, yeah, the 190 to $2. I mean, I think people would want that. I think some people would embrace that. Austin said his friends had to wait 7 years to take. Yeah, they waited a long time, dude. We would talk about it all the time. It won't come down now and sold my bag. Just my luck literally today. Couldn't get any worse. Patience, Jamie. Patience, man. You'll have patience. It will work out. Is Bonk just another meme coin or does it have, Bonk's just a meme coin series. Joe, thanks for becoming a member of the channel, dude. You're now official member of the A team. Definitely go join that Discord, bro. And thank you very, very much. At 229. 229 for the break even. Yeah. Sometimes you just pay patience, man. I get it, dude. But the good thing is you didn't lose. That's not a loss, right? If you broke even, it's not an L. It's bouncing off 225 every time. Yeah, that's a 225 is a strong. That's where we said it was going to be. So again, you could keep following that 225 like we put out there, and it would probably it's doing pretty damn well. I'll admit. 225's hit 3 times every morning. It's hit 225 and bounced up for a nice little 4 to 5% return. So again, even if you're margin trading that, you're sitting good, right? Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, it's all hit right around the same time. Well, this hit 4 o'clock in the morning. This hit 4 o'clock in the morning, and this hit at 8 o'clock in the morning right here. But this was a 4 hour, so this is a 4 hour right here. So this actually hit this actually hit probably at 4 o'clock in the morning as well. So. Hey, what's going on, Adam? Did you hear this? The Philippine banks partner with Hedera. I did not hear that, Scott. Welcome. A brief $2. Yeah, a brief $2 XRP would be nice. I'd be okay. I mean, it's not people don't want that. I don't want it to go down. I would much rather this keep going up. But I know some people would embrace the $2. 243 to 205, 274 to 274, 250 to 380. Is that what you're putting down, XRP, Dre? All right. You're shorting XRP for 10x leverage down to 190. Hey, dude, do you, Steven? Do you, man? Let's roll a bullish optimistic today. Let's roll. Feeling bullish and optimistic today. Good day, Austin. Yeah, this is a good day for us, man. Anytime this goes up here in pricing, I think it's good. 100% good. Things, Michaela, are looking good. Things are looking good. Let's see here. Hollywood is putting the most realistic show of all time. Oh, you want to check the depth? Yeah, we can look at the depth real quick. Mm-mm, mm-mm, mm-mm. Yeah, here's the depth right now. So again, 225. Look at that, dude. Look at this wall right here, 225. So that's why I said this is a good resistance right here. 225 seems to be the wall that we can bounce off of for any swing trades, which I've been saying for what, 3 days now. So yeah, if you guys are looking for that, that's kind of where the buy has been, right? It's up to you on how you want to go about your swing trades. The only reason I didn't jump into a swing trade this morning is because I won't be able to track them. We got soccer. I got a soccer tournament today, and so I won't be able to monitor the charts. I'll be at a soccer tournament, so I didn't want to jump in, and I could have probably set my sell and buy orders, but I just like there's some mixed indicators right now. I'm not going to risk it if I'm not sitting in front of a computer. So 225 still would have been a good buy this morning. I didn't personally do it because of just my situation with in my personal life. So right here you got $2. That's again, huge buy wall here at $2. So again, I think that this $2 is going to be hard to get by, even if we start to lose traction in the market. $2 is I think a pretty good area. And if we go back and we look, let's see what would that be in terms of a deep decline from where it's at right now. You're looking at almost a 14% dip. So, I mean, that's a pretty good correction if it were to go down to $2. And there'd be a lot of buy orders that would probably bounce this back up, and we'd probably jump from $2 all the way up to like 210 off that. So people would probably sell, and it'd probably settle down here, because what happens is that people get this $2 and bounces back and they sell again, right? I mean, that's the game of which people play. So just realize that if you're going to be getting into that game. Sorry for time. What's up, Big B? Good to see you, Big B. Got Kenny G in the house here. Kenny G, thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team. You're officially now a member of the channel. Make sure you go into that Discord, bro. And thank you very, very much. Then I want to blow past 350. Yeah, I want to blow past the 350 range too, dude. If we get past all-time highs, dude, I'll be so excited. They tell you without telling you. I could not get rid of the Ethereum Classic bag I had. Oh man, serious. I like Ethereum Classic though, the old school. Do you think BTC can catch 97K before another downtrend? It's working its way there right now. We'll have to see right now. So the 50 has crossed over the 200 day, and it's already at the top of the 4. You go to the 12 here, it's down at the bottom. So there could be some. It'll be interesting to see how this plays out. The next 12 comes over here at 6 o'clock. So we'll see if this builds up or bounces back down. The day is coming down right now. So this is where another indicator where it usually comes down and hits anywhere over the past at least almost month, dude. We've been down. It bounces down around here for a couple days. 1, 2, 3, 4, almost 5 days at the bottom down here. So, this could come down and hang around here until, let's see, it comes down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, starts to work its way back up. So yeah, I mean, that's kind of what you want. We want, with the indicators the way they're looking right now, we want this to come down slightly. We want this to come down and sort of stay down here in this anywhere from, the 13% down below. You can even say 18. You could even say 20% and below. We want Bitcoin to stay, because then again, it'll build pressure to then release on Inauguration Day. That's kind of what I want. Like I said, I'm being a little selfish with it, to hold off until that, because there's just so much hype with Inauguration Day that I think it's just, you build that momentum, and it's just like how the pressure was built up. When you go back and you look how the pressure was built up on November 5th, it was kind of crazy. So kind of want that same pressure going into Inauguration Day, because you saw what happened You saw what happened over a month, right? You saw what happened over a month between election to here. We want this same run from inauguration day on. And the only way you're going to get that is if you have a little bit of a a little bit of a pressure cooker at the bottom of this. If we're already in a high sell market, we're only going to go up just a little bit and come back down probably, versus if we are building a pressure cooker, we might have a better chance for some bigger gains. That's, again, will that happen? I have no idea. That's just what I want. The panic selling is quite the way to the poorhouse. Don't do it. Yeah, don't panic sell. If you're day trading, like, do your buys and sells. I mean, do your buy and sells on your day trades all day long, right? Just don't go out there panic selling, the bag you've accumulated for however long you've accumulated it. Like a rush, yeah. XLM's looking pretty good. So, again, our buy zone for here was 40. So again, I haven't jumped into this, but the buy was 40. So right now we're up right here. So again, this dipped down below. It tested the 40 a couple times. But yeah, 40 seems to be my number right here. And yeah, it's doing okay today. Hbar did really good last night. I actually sold my Hbar, made a pretty, I didn't make a ton of money off of it. I think it was like a couple $100. I got, my average was like 27.5, I think is what it was. This thing went up to like 3. Yeah, it was like 3. I think I made like $240 last night after I had to work out of that bag. It was like $240 to work out of that bag. But I made it, I sold it, and now just sort of sitting on the sidelines waiting to re-enter with Hedera. But I had to work out of this bag. As you guys know, I bought my bag at like 27, or no, I bought my bag at 28.3, 28 something. Or was it 28.4 is where I bought my bag, and then it dipped down here, and I had a DCA in at like 265. So it averaged me out at like 27.4, something like that. And yeah, it was only like a couple $100. So it kind of sucked. That was not the greatest, but I mean, it took a couple days to get out of that one for a couple $100, but it's still a W, and that's all that matters to me. Basically, every time from on XRP is showing positive. Yeah, it's showing good. I mean, dude, XRP has been super resilient. That's one thing I'll say. Even when Bitcoin was coming down to 91, XRP just chilled. It just hung out here at this 230 to this 225 to 238 range. It's pretty remarkable. He's a soccer star. I appreciate that, Rebecca. Yeah, football, soccer tournament. Yeah. Caroline, thanks so much for the £5, man. Can you check on Tima is doing today? It's going to be up 20% in the last 24 hours while the entire crypto market is down. I do appreciate the donation, Caroline. I do appreciate the update with the Tima team. I will probably not pull it up, but I do appreciate it. And if other people do, they can for sure. And you guys are always coming in here and donating to the channel. So I do really, really appreciate that. Thank you very much. Let's see here. Is this XRP? Yes, it is, Michaela. Well, this one's XRP that I'm on right now. I'm a little behind on the chat, so XRP is in the sell signal. Yeah, we're right now. This is the 4 hour right now. So again, this is we'll have to see how this retests here in the next 4. So we'll probably have the next results are going to come up here around. Well, we'll be here in 2 hours. We'll see what the end result here is in 2 hours, right? We're on the 12. We're on the 12 right now. So we'll see what the direction is. So 8 and then 12 will be the next one, and then 16. So will be 4 o'clock. So if by 4 o'clock this hits the 61 and gets rejected, we'll be in for a different story. So something to watch out for. That's all. Let's see what the 12 hours looking like. Again, the 12 hours at the bottom here. Move this down. And again, we've bounced around here for a couple days. On these downtrends right here, we've bounced around here. 1, 2, 12, 24. Almost like 5 days at the bottom down here. So again, that can happen, right? Sometimes we don't just come down here and bounce right back. So, we'll come down here. It could stay down here for a couple days, which again, me being a little selfish right now, kind of wants that. So I want this to come down here and like build this, even if it's just sideways. It doesn't have to go down in price, just as long as it trades sideways. If it trades sideways, let's just say that it stays here from like 225 to 235 for the next week. like that sideways trading is going to create a catalyst. That's a catalyst, dude. Sideways trading like that is just going to create this nice little inauguration day is going to come. And hopefully, like I said, I'm not guaranteeing inauguration day is going to do that. History has shown us, not me. History has shown that usually was what happens is inauguration day causes a nice little uptrend. So our goal is to wait for the, build up, try to find some, if you're accumulating, you should be trying to accumulate to wait for this inauguration day. Like that's the goal. If you're accumulating, try to accumulate. If you're already accumulated and you're in these swing trades, like for me, I'm waiting. I'm going to wait to enter in with, and try to do a nice little swing on this one. Cartman, thanks so much again for the $2, dude. Can you please show up dog head chart? No, I will not. I appreciate the $2, dude. Thank you very much. Take profits when you can, definitely. Can someone please tell me why we're worried about inauguration day when all I keep hearing is people don't control the price of Bitcoin? It's just, I think that people are going to finally, you're officially going to have the most pro crypto administration coming into office. That's kind of my take on it, dude. Yeah, they're going to sell much. I just want to be like Austin and make a genius swing trade. That's what we're working for. That's what I'm working for, Starseed. Last genius one we had was XLM, dude. This is the genius swing trade that we had live. We called this bottom. This is the best one, dude. We made out like bandits on this one. So yeah, kudos to XLM. Again, my next one I'm going to be tracking, I told you guys, is going to be Avalanche. Avalanche. I don't day trade Avalanche, but Avalanche has lined up perfectly like XLM did. So it's something I'm going to watch because I do think that there's some potential there. But we'll see. We'll see if XLM comes back down here into the 32 marker. I might just focus on XLM versus Avalanche. So, and again, when I say I'm and on some of these trades, I might not even put in I might not put in the full amount. Yeah, what's going on? Thanks, Gary. Evelyn, what's going on? 218 before inauguration definitely seems possible. Maybe 207 again. That could very well happen. How was the crash of 2001? Did it go down? Yeah, it went down. We looked at it yesterday. I could pull it up again. Inauguration day last time was pretty. We can go down and look. I think I marked them out. This was inauguration day in 2017. We went down 31% before we took off, right? And then back here in 2016, we went down 34% in 2017 before inauguration day. So 34% on Bitcoin before inauguration day, 2 weeks going into inauguration day. You come back, and then you come back here, which would be the first and second week of January. Then this is the first and second week of January going into 2021 inauguration day. And so here we are, here we are. We're probably looking, going into here, we're already down 15. So if we say 32 from there, I mean, if we say 30, it puts us down here at this, this 80 marker, anywhere from 75 to 80, give or take. But, again, I'm not saying it's going to do that. I'm just saying that's kind of where our history has shown. We've obviously changed we are not the same Bitcoin and same trading that we were back in those days, because we now have ETFs. We now have institutional money in here. There's people are a lot more pro crypto. So things are different. There's a different dynamic here. So you got to take that into consideration too. At least I take that into consideration. So the fallout might not be as big. If we do have a little bit of a fallout or a consolidation, because again, you got to think this is still a fair value gap in here, right? I haven't put this up today, but I mean, there's still gaps in here that need to be filled. And eventually this will, whether it comes down on the bear market that we fill that gap, or it gets filled here before, somehow this is going to come back down and get filled at some point. It's gonna happen. So if it comes down to this 83 marker, we fill a pretty big void in the market right there, and then it gives us a nice little bounce back upwards. Same with XRP, right? But right now it's in a pretty good fair value gap right now. Still, that fair value gap is now the fair value gap. If you look down here, we pretty much have been playing around with this 25 marker for a while on this gap. The next one is down here at this 215, and then here at the $2. So you can see there's still room down here to fill up these gaps as well, right here. I'm not. No, I'm Pacific Standard Time, dude. No, no, I'm not I'm not a genius. I appreciate that. Uh, dude, Ike, thanks so much, man. We're still buying. Keep it low. Can get a gallon of milk for that price. Better late than never. What's up, Andrew? Appreciate you here, man. Could the inauguration bump already be baked into at this point? I don't think so, dude. I don't think so. History has shown that we have rallies. Q1. I mean, we go back and look at Q1 charts. Q1's pretty. Q1 actually. Let me. I have some charts over here. Q1's usually pretty damn good for this year. So here we go. Yeah, usually we have a Q1. Let me find it. I got to find the chart for it. Might take me a second to do that. But usually Q1's pretty a pretty good year. Let me go in here real quick. All right. Let's see if I can find it here. Nope, that's not it. Is this it? Nope. Man, I gotta find it. I should have saved it. I should have saved the chart, but I didn't save it, unfortunately. Damn it. I'll have to find it. I'll find it and I'll put it in the Discord. I'll find it and I'll put it in the Discord. But yeah, there's a chart out there, talks about the quarters, talks about Ethereum, talks about all that stuff. So let's see here. Awesome. Did you jump on Link after you reviewed it? I did not, Jason. No, I did not. I've stayed with Xrp Hbar Xlm. JM, thanks so much for the $2, dude. Can you please show your current view CMC settings? Oh, you're saying for these right here? All I have is these are the indicators that I got right here. You got the fair value gap by Luxo, moving exponential. So there you go. You take a screenshot of that. Austin, can I jazz on your beard? Can you jazz? Oh my god, dude. Lifestyle too. What if the that was wild, bro. You play like talking about playing some jazz band? We uncharted BTC territory going, nobody really knows what the head. True, that's true. Hit that like button. Appreciate you guys. 589 incoming, followed by Austin's dance live on YouTube. $7. What's up, Killwell? My bag is holding them. Yeah, I'm waiting for a price. Yeah, I'm sitting on the sidelines waiting for. To me, indicators are showing that we're gonna have. Right now, this is the indicator to me that is showing that the market's confused. At least for them. You know, we go to the 12-hour here. 12 hours down on that one. 1 hour's looking different there as well. But you know, XRP is showing confusion. Same with XLM. Look at that. That's kind of a weird. We don't usually have that bounce backs. That's kind of weird. Same with here. You know, this right here is kind of what I'm expecting. See this? We had us up and then it came down here and then we came down. So, you know, downtrend through here. That's kind of what I think about when I think of these that come up through the 4 hour right here. I think kind of like another trend downward, but you know, Bitcoin's doing this is what's crazy too about Bitcoin is we created a new low. This is a new low. We're going to try to come up here and try to create a new high, and then, you know, has a chance to come back down again. So, you know, we're trying to work out of this low that we created. We created a new low right here. And so, you know, usually we try to work our way out of it to come back down again or come back down lower like we did here. We hit a low here. We worked our way out, came back down lower. So then we worked our way out, and now we come down lower again. So just by $100, but it's not that crazy. What's up, D5? I'm confused like the market. Me too. Yo, bro, I literally slept on my phone the other night and wound up sending a sell order for all my XLM. Dude, that's wild. You slept on your phone. If you're not an A-Team member, you got to sign up. There's a sick ass video of Austin from 1944. Oh, dude. Yeah. Members only. Members only. XRP with an average of 220, keep or sale. I think that it's tough to say, dude. Yeah, that's tough to say, dude. It's all a matter of what you feel. If you're accumulating, Lex, if you're accumulating, it's different than if you are just day trading. So, if you're day trading, if I was day trading, I wouldn't. I mean, that's a good. I would probably sell if it's a day trade. But if you're accumulating it and you're holding on to it, then that's a different story. So, yeah, impossible. Let's see. Blackout drinking makes you. What's crack lagging? What's up, Doug? What's up, Doug? XRP is at $30. Yeah, that'd be crazy if it hit $30. That'd be wild. $30. So we'll see. I think the market's starting to come back a little bit. Come back. I mean, just slightly starting to come back. So let's look into here real quick. So there's a XRP Ripple. So as you guys can see right here, the ongoing legal battle between Ripple Labs and the SEC still having attention. As you guys know, January 15th is still the day where they have a hearing with the SEC. And he said, Schwartz acknowledged the frustration not being able to speak freely. He found some solace in seeing others express these truths. So as you guys know, there's, Deaton was out there talking about this. A lot of people were saying what was going to happen here. It says right here that Judge Phyllis Hamilton has allowed Ripple CEO to keep some court documents sealed. This included documents about judgments and expert testimony. Both Ripple and the SEC can keep these details private as the case moves on to the next stages. So I'm really hoping, again, there's going to be no new evidence coming out here on January 15th, which again is going to be next Friday. Or no, it's going to be Wednesday, dude. Is that when? Did I say Wednesday? Yeah, it's going to be Wednesday. Yeah, Wednesday. So I've been using Coinbase for a while now. Nice. Austin, what's up with the XRP movement? 300,000 XRP? Yeah. It's just chilling. They haven't done anything with it yet. So any thoughts on what? Oh, just digging holes. Any thoughts on the new Bank of America just reported that they expect that? Yeah, that's kind of the crazy thing, Lag. I was just showing that right here. It's going to be interesting. I don't know. I mean, that's kind of what their expectations are. So it's kind of crazy to think that, but yeah, kind of weird. So here's another one right here. It says metrics show price drop not important. So one thing here says one key indicator for assessing blockchain network for XRP is wall growth. Technically, XRP is still in a triangle shape consolidation phase with resistance at 250, import supports level showing at 220 and 200. If XRP is unable to hold the 220, it may retest lower levels, but a breakout between above 250 could open the doors for a fresh new bull. So again, I think that we have an opportunity to probably go down to the 220s into maybe, like I said, the $2 range could be on the table to then allow us to have a breakout. So again, that's kind of where we're at. I mean, if you're starting to look back at this, that's kind of, again, the selfishness of me allows it to be that way. But I mean, I'm cool either way. What's up, Jay? Austin, tell Killer Will to go to sleep. I know that guy's awake all the time, bro. Killer Will. It doesn't cost anything to dream as long as it doesn't make you fully believe that it's going to take to you. True, I'd give you that philosophy. Digging holes and getting some pipes in. Well, listening to the 18. Oh, damn, dude. All right, Doug. Crypto.com trading stock in the US today looks good for them. We lost 220 on the body. We'll do 2 and range at 150 to 2. All right, James. Why are there two XRP listings on your watch list? Oh, because one is this one right here is for Binance volume, and this one right here is for Coinbase. So obviously the two largest exchanges for this right now. So I kind of just keep them up here. So I keep the two different exchanges. They're two. That's what they are. They're two different exchanges. Vapehub, thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team. You're officially now a member of the channel. Thank you very, very much for that. Appreciate the hell out of it, man. And now you can definitely go jump in that Discord. I swear, yeah, Oscar, I swing trade. Sometimes it's a day trade. Chromemes pumping. Chromemes are pumping. Oh wow. What's up? What's going on, John? Listening on my planning period. Someone came into the room, heard your voice, and left. Thought I was in a meeting. They're like, "Oh man, he's in a serious meeting. We gotta leave." If you buy a different price and then sell, how is your gains determined on the sell? What do you mean? I mean, it's just determined on your average. What your average? I mean, all reality is it's gonna average out your prices. What's up, Kai? Unless you were using a VPN. So yeah, that's kind of where we're at right now with this. It's $2 seems to be a pretty big buy. Come down here, and 220 seems to be a pretty big buy. But look at the difference between this. There's a buy at $2, starts at 11 million. This is just Coinbase, and it ends at 13. So we're talking almost what, $3.5 million just chilling right here at $2. That's pretty crazy. That's a pretty big buy. That's a pretty big buy wall right there. Oh, now you say hi. I didn't see you, Kai. Sorry, bro. Thank you, whoever gave me a membership. Oh yeah, Cookie Monster. If we slice $2, if it goes there, bloody hell. Yeah, if we get past the $2 range, that's gonna be this is gonna be a math. $2 is a massive level of support. I had to hop over here. Haven't seen him live on TikTok. Is that you, Mikhail? I was wondering if that was you or not, dude. I couldn't remember. I didn't know if it was you or not. Yeah, I haven't done the TikTok thing because I got a restriction on the account, and if I keep filming on there, they're gonna ban my TikTok. So I just haven't filmed on there. I'll probably end up putting a content out there versus doing live streams over there because I keep getting the little ban. I thought that was you. I didn't want to be like, oh, is that Michaela? But good to see you over here. Appreciate you over here. Just having fun. All you can do is big things. Yeah, I'm hoping with the TikTok thing too is that maybe when a U.S. company buys them out, they won't restrict putting charts on screen or talking about it, or someone's just flagging me. I don't know. It could be that too. Francisco, thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team. You're officially now a member of the channel. Appreciate that. Thank you very, very much. You can now definitely go jump in and join that Discord. Just making sure Austin definitely has messaged me on Discord because I may. Yeah, dude, I did not. I don't message anyone. Oh yeah, yeah. Sorry, dude. It's I should have probably said something on TikTok, but I just like, you know what, dude. TikTok it kind of made me mad. I was like, I kept getting red flagged and restricted, so I was like, you know what, I guess I just won't do it over there. Where's the depth chart? Yeah, depth chart's right here. This is looking good. I mean, $2 range is looking really good. But I do appreciate you coming over here on this side. One of the fake accounts is reporting the real account because there's that's probably true, dude. That's probably exactly what's happening. They're like, you know what? We're just gonna go flag the real Awesome Austin on this. This is ridiculous that he's showing an XRP chart. Check out the buy wall at the $1. How does that make any sense? I think people are just, again, you can set it and forget it, dude. Right? This $1. We're talking. It's only about $1 million right there, though. It's not that bad. Right? 21 to 22. That's about $1 million. But you get this wide buy wall right here. This is almost $3 million, right? $2.5 million. That's a big buy wall right there. Just like you have a big sell wall here at 3. I mean, you're talking 18 to you're talking 3 million just in here, and this is just Coinbase. So, dude, Sean Parsons, thanks so much for gifting 5 memberships to the A team. Sean Parsons, thank you. If Sean gifted you a membership, please say thank you to Sean. And yeah, welcome to the A team. Make sure you guys get into that Discord. That'd be fantastic. Discord is wild. Can you explain the wall you mentioned? A lot support is likely. A lot of support means it's likely to happen. I think people are just anticipating. They want to basically, if this were to drop, they want to be able to find. So a lot of people are saying that this is a major support level for XRP. So people put their buy orders in at this. I'll tell you this, just a little trick. I would not go set your buy order for exactly $2. The chances of you getting it filled at this level is probably pretty small. Probably should set it for like 201, 199, somewhere in that ballpark, because you'll usually it'll come flying through. And sometimes your orders will not get filled if it's right on this big buy, because everyone else's orders, depending on where you fall in line, depends on where the orders happen. So if you're in the back of the line, your chances are very small. So you should set it a little bit before or a little after, depending on how you want to look at it. That would be so funny if they flagged the real account. There's got to be a bunch of algos putting in those trades as well. Yeah, these are all market makers right here. So these are a bunch of bots. Majority of these are probably bots trading in here. People put these things into a bot and they allow them to buy and sell. This is what automated market makers do. Is they come here and they buy and sell the charts to make small profits, like another form of sniping the charts. But yeah, if you could, if you get into that kind of stuff, you could probably make good money. How do you like quantum computing? I mean, I don't know enough about quantum computing to really, I'm not really into that. I think it's great. And I mean, I heard in the next 5 years that quantum computing could probably break Bitcoin, but yeah, people keep saying XRP won't reach 3 digits this year. 202. Yeah, you could do 202. So it's coming down right now back to 33. This thing hit up to almost 36 earlier. It did hit 36 actually, 36.31. So it was all, yes, it was a spam bam. It was definitely a spam, dude. How do you pull up that buy sell chart on Coinbase? Just look up depth chart. Just go to XRP on the spot side, and then up here there's a price chart right here. Price chart, and then you go depth chart. Price chart, depth chart. So that's kind of where it's at. Yeah, be careful. I agree. Linda V. What's up, Linda? Cool cat. What's going on, dude? The Donald likes crypto.com. Oh, Donald Trump likes it. On the right side. Oh, this right here. These are all the different. These are all just the different cryptos and stocks. Slim Cheeses. What's up, dude? How can you prove it solved a problem that would normally take in 15 years? That's true, Slim Cheeses. I'm with you. Yeah, you got to become a sub bro. You got to be sub bro. You got to become a member. So you got to go up there, click the membership, become a member, and then you'll click the Discord link. Go in there, click on the rules, agree to the rules, click on the emojis, and come in. How do I add that blue and yellow indicator? It's your volume edge. So it's right here. Just go up to indicators right here. Visible range, volume profile. These will tell you your levels. These will help guide you with levels of support and resistance. You can, yeah, you can use USDC or fiat. It's the same. You get charged the same fees. I don't think it changes. Dang, dude. I don't want to get political here, but as you guys know, Joe Rogan and Mark Zuckerberg was on Joe Rogan's show, and he just literally flambéed the Biden administration for all the censorship and exposures. Dude, that's not going to look that. I mean, it's over, but it doesn't matter. But it's just kind of crazy to think like how the social media accounts were just completely, dude. It was crazy during those times, dude. I got banned on YouTube, dude. I got banned on YouTube for like 2 weeks. Yeah, they were like suppressing crypto on here. I got banned for 2 weeks, dude, and then came back. So, and it was because we talked about something that shouldn't have been talked about. And you guys know what I'm talking about. The people that were here know what I'm talking about. We talked about something we probably shouldn't have talked about. Zuckerberg becoming a good guy. Yeah, I think he finally saw the writing on the wall. Austin, don't forget to watch Austin's new video from 2022. Thank you, Mike. Appreciate that a ton. Also, what indicators can you tell us they are about to pull rug on the day trades? Well, nothing will really tell you that it's gonna rug pull. I mean, you just got to watch the indicators and see patterns of signs of like where things are gonna go. So again, this is a weird pattern right here. Let me get your comment out of the way. This is a really, I mean, anyone could look at this and say this is not a normal pattern of what we've. This is a normal pattern, right? This is like an EKG. Look at starting from December 1st. December 1st, we went into this pattern, which is a really easy pattern to follow. I mean, we made a lot of money. Then we come up to here, and this is now you're starting to go, oh crap, this is not normal. So if it's not normal, it doesn't feel normal, then you should pause. You should take a pause. Just pause and let the market decide what it wants to do here before you enter in here. Because if you enter in here, you could get lucky and say you buy in right now and this thing goes up. Like, yeah, you got really lucky. But you also have to consider the risk of if you buy in here now and it goes down. And, again, if it's undecided, just be patient. So I'm really being patient to not jump in. So how do I know I joined from Discord or a fake account? Well, you click on my link. If you click on my Discord link, you would actually enter the right account. And then once you get in there, you'll see the you'll get a lot of hellos and things like that, and yeah. So Zuck gonna meet Bubba real soon. I'm about $80 down on Flare, thinking of taking my L and converting it to something else. Can you look at it and see what you're? Yeah, Flare's the reason why I don't day trade Flare it's because this is a really hard one to. There's not enough volume to really push through here. So, Flare is one of those where, if you didn't get in early on this one right away, or found a good purchase, it's a hard one to trade. I don't day trade these at all because they're so hard to trade. So there's just not enough volume to do it. So yeah, it's actually almost filled its fair value gap. It could probably come down to 21 right here. Maybe even more if it were to be a little bit of a sell off. So yeah, Flare's one of those. It's an interesting one, dude. I could, yeah, me too. Coin, I did. Trust me, I'm one of the most least patient people, but crypto's made me a lot more patient. Looks like it's forming a double bottom. You saying for XRP? Which one are you talking about? Which one are you talking about? XRP has been hanging around my buy-in rate, so I just hanging even. Yeah. Pete picks in Discord, sign me up. What day will it hit $10? Yeah, I don't know. Been making a real buy and sell on XRP. Not jumping in big again soon. Yeah. Oh, okay. So I guess this is what Fan said. This is where I'm the server owner of it because I got the crown and the symbol next to me. So if you see that, I don't know if you guys can see that or not. There you go. So if that's who's texting you, then that's the real awesome Austin. But I don't text you guys, so don't worry. I know, right? It is a quantum leap. Hbar is supposed to be immune to quantum. Interesting. That's interesting. It's Kung Fu's. You guys are crazy. Player's great. Long term. Yeah, I think so too. I think it's a good long term hold. You have to expand your face. Oh, you want me to go like this then? There you go. See that? The Discord on show you have 697 members. Yeah, because we cleaned yeah, that's mine. Because we cleaned we had to clean them out. So there were some people that entered that basically never verified and stuff like that. So we had to decrease those, unfortunately. So last question for the day. Can you explain the EKG graph at the bottom? Yeah, this is just the RSI. It does look like an EKG. That's what I always say the same thing too. This is to tell you if your positions are in this hour, right? It could be the 1 hour, the 4 hour, or the 12, or the day, whatever you decide, whatever range you decide to look at. It tells you basically where positions are over purchased or under purchased, or undersold or oversold. So the blue is obviously where it hits this peak up here. It is now over purchased. It starts to come back down, goes back through, and then we're boom right back down here. So did someone forget to tell everyone that we are supposed to be running up to celebrate a crypto-friendly administration? Yeah, we are. We're working there right now. We're working towards it right now. Is there an alternative? I think TradingView is the best one I got. So, does anyone notice that Gensler looks like? Yeah, he does. Thought I was verified and was getting notifications, but now I can't even get in at all. Oh yeah, you probably got removed, so you probably have to try to get back in. Tesla and Joe. Is anyone holding Velo? No. Twiz is getting anxious about it. He probably was. The red candles are Austin in full screen. Stupid. Okay. Do you think Bitcoin can hit 93, 92 in the immediate short term? I mean, yeah, I don't see why it couldn't. I mean, right now we're looking at the day charts on the way down, so it's probably going to have some room to go still. So as much as this came back up, you could it could do something like this maybe, or like this. But we'll see. The day chart's already trending downwards. That's same with XRP. XRP, the day chart's trending downward. So it would be nice if we came down here by the 20th, and we're down here by the 20th, and then we came back and started to come back up. That would be ideal. Something like this right here, right, where it came down, maybe even hit here, like this right here, came and hit here, and then came back up. That would be nice. That was roughly a 21% decrease. So we're at a pretty good decrease right here. We'll see what happens. Maybe like I said, maybe we just stay sideways all the way until Inauguration Day, which would be okay with me. If we just kept trading sideways like this, I'd be okay with that. I would be 100% okay with that. Jay, thanks so much for the $5, dude. Don't have to look up the charts or anything, but what do you think? Any thoughts on AIOZ? I don't even know what it is, Jay. Thanks so much for the $5. I have no idea what is that. I'm assuming it's a crypto, but I'm just like, is it like a meme coin? Austin, can you check out the ETH chart? Yeah, we can look at ETH. ETH is looking different. Came up. ETH has been different, dude. I don't know what it is about ETH this time around, but I mean, we've hit these tops up here. We've hit some resistance here at the 4,000. We've had a hard time breaking this 4,000, which is kind of crazy, right? I thought for sure we'd break past these 4,000s by now, but we haven't. But yeah, their next level is down here in the threes, if not roughly down here in the 3,000 mark, somewhere in that ballpark. Jason, thanks so much for the $2, dude. You know anything or have thoughts on XCN? I do not. I don't know enough about XCN. I appreciate the $2. I have some projects in ETH. It's a weird time. You got some ETH projects? All right. ETH is not relevant anymore. Well, I mean, you still got to use Base. Base, you got to use Ethereum for Base, right? Base is pretty relevant still. Austin, can you compare XRP? I don't even. I don't know if I know what the theory is. Um, yeah, I haven't worked with that theory, dude. I'm gonna be honest with you. I haven't had to, I'd have to spend time with that, Lisa. I haven't ever worked with that wave theory. So I'll have to look into that. ETH is the Starbucks token. Dude, I love Starbucks, bro. You think the sell off is before or after? Well, I think we're gonna have a run and then a sell. So I think before and after. What's up, Nathaniel? Good to see you. There's a scam ticker with it already. That sarcastic indicator worked great a little while ago for my scalp trade. The sarcastic. I love that. I love that. That's awesome. I like Pete's better. Last point of support. Yeah, I'd probably have to check that out. I don't think I've ever used the Elliott wave indicator. There is a bunch out here, but I'd have to study that a little bit. Let me be honest with you. ETH is absolutely relevant. Every layer 2 makes gains for ETH. I also have a hunch it's gonna go back to proof of work with cheap energy costs. Dude, that'd be crazy, right, Timsky, if it goes back? That would be nuts if it went back. Muff on actually, no way. How do you stake ADA on Coinbase? I think you could probably just go straight into it and stake it if you wanted to, right? I think you just go. I don't. Does Coinbase allow you to stake ADA? Let's see. Yeah, you can stake it for 1.18% APY if you wanted to. Or I think it's just holding it. You just get auto staking on it. I don't even think that you have to actually stake it in a staking program. Yeah, I don't think you have to. Worst thing about living in Australia, we get news one day late from US. Is that really how it works? Nice rejection at 235. Yeah, it's coming back down. 230. It seems 235 seems to be the level. He got his Starbucks today. Oh yeah, you know that, dude. I don't go a day without my Starbucks. Oh, Wild Dog, appreciate that. Glad you're here. Do you think XRP goes to 260? I think eventually, yeah, definitely get to 260. Stupid. We're 16 hours in front. Yeah, that's crazy. Yeah, you gotta get that coffee. Linda's got her Vietnamese coffee right now in that snow. I've never supported a company who doesn't support our troops. Who isn't? Which company's not supporting our troops, Kyle? 260, hopefully Monday. 260 by Monday. That'd be nice. Am I the only one who sees the news of crypto on X and then waits to get the truth from Austin? X is a great platform, dude. If you're new to crypto, X is a great platform to get your news. What's up? What's up, Adam? Adam L is in the house. Did I miss anything besides Whittle? Yeah, you missed not getting into Discord. I hope we drop to $2 again for a fire sale. That could very well happen. Pepperines, what's going on, dude? XRP short-term sell signal now. We're down. It's starting to. The market's probably going to claw back just a little bit here. I mean, we've touched 225 every day for the last 3 days now. That's what I was telling everyone. That's 225. We put this 225 out here. I put this 225 out here a couple days ago. I think I put the 225 out here on Tuesday. We talked about where this was going to go, and I missed the 220. I missed the first one by like 1/7 of a penny. It was ridiculous. Anyways, with the 225 hit, we bounced back up. We came back down, hit it again, came back up, sold, came back down, hit it again, and then this one hit this morning right here again. So yeah, the 225 seems to be a pretty good. It's been really good over the last week. So I got jet lag. Discord was my idea. Yeah, right. I know. Come on. Where are you at, bro? You got that jet lag though. I get that. Dude's balling Starbucks daily. Dude, I've been drinking Starbucks daily for, you know, it's about $3.50 for an Americano. So it's my, like, I guess you could say it's my vice. I think we all have a vice out there, and I think Starbucks coffee is mine. So yeah. Thanks, Gary. Like, no, your name is Thanks, Gary. It would get more fire than that. True. True. It could definitely get more fire than that. I have a lot of money over time. You could have built your own coffee company and just do that. There's something about it though where the regular coffee companies just do not taste the same as Starbucks to me. If I go to like some random stand, like if I go to like Douche Brothers, um, like their coffee's ass. If I go to any other place down the road that's just like a mom and pop shop, their coffee's ass. Like I have to go to Starbucks, dude. And yeah, Douche Brothers is a real thing. Just create your own coffee company, call it the Cup and Handle. That's actually pretty funny. And then just get my Starbucks from Starbucks is gross. I like their black, just their straight black coffee, Crypto Junkie. Like I said, I just drink Americanos. So it's just the black, like the straight black coffee. And for some reason it's really good to me. I don't know why. It doesn't have like this like bitter taste. It's good and it's consistent. It's consistently good. Yeah. Yeah. Douche Brothers is garbage. No, I mean Douche Brothers. It's like it's douche. I'm just kidding. Yeah, I'm talking about Dutch Brothers. My mom and my sisters all love Dutch Brothers, and so I give them hell saying it's douche. Pretty sure it's pronounced Dutch, not douche. I'm just, I know it's Dutch, but I say douche because it's my I play it's a family joke, so with my mom and sisters. Because she gives them she gets my so my mom goes she goes there all the time, and so she'll send like through the Dutch Brothers app, she'll send them free coffee like every Friday. Like my sisters get free coffee from her, but she never sends me free coffee because I go to Starbucks and she doesn't drink Starbucks. And so they get free coffees. And so I was like, you know what, that's messed up, dude. So now I call it Douche Brothers out of bitterness because I don't get the free coffees on Fridays from my mom. Kind of messed up, right? Here I am at 38 years old, excited for my mom to send me a $5 gift card to buy my coffee on a Friday. uh, oh yeah. I can't believe we just derailed the whole chat to go talk about Douche Brothers. I mean, they do have a stock out. I mean, we could go that way. Oh yeah, appreciate that, Jimmy. Thank you so much, man. Hopefully you have a good weekend as well. But yeah, we'll s- we'll see what it brings. Yeah, Dunkin's. I didn't like Trent. I didn't really care for Dunkin' Donuts, dude. Dunkin' Donuts coffee. Yeah, isn't Seattle's the best? The decent? No, it's horrible. Jay, thanks so much for the $5. AIZ is a DPIN storage and streaming. They also do nodes you can run. Thanks for everything, dude. Oh, I'll take a look at that, dude. Thanks so much for the $5. Yeah, I'll definitely take a look at that for sure. Washington has the best coffee in the world, but Starbucks is bad. Word in Spokane. After all, it's just coffee, right? Right, Cloud 99. Yeah, no pun with that. Your coffee is $1,200 a year. Yep, you earned it. Hey, what's going on, Angel? Hope all is well. Did I miss anything? Nah, we're talking about we derailed the stream a little bit talking about coffee. Folgers, dude, no way. I drink coffee or milk or sugar. Actually, I like Starbucks cold, regular, no sugar coffee. All right, Trent. All right. I don't understand the concept of decaf coffee, just like I don't understand the concept of non-alcoholic beer. Kind of still throws me off. It's like smoking it'd be like smoking cigarettes that have no nicotine. And it's just weird to me. I don't know. Maybe I don't know. You said douche 19 times a record. Do you have Starbucks stock? You know what's funny is I do not. I do not have Starbucks stock, dude. I should probably get Starbucks stock, dude. Uh, that's the one thing. I don't even have Starbucks stock, but I drink Starbucks every day. That's pretty stupid, huh? Now that you say that, I'm probably gonna go buy Starbucks stock because that after I said that again out loud, that sounds really dumb. uh, you should. You're right, Caesar. I should. Would think Seattle would have better mom and pop. They don't, dude. They don't. I promise you. Uh, you need that skibidi. Nope, never done that. Never done that intrigue. I have I stream all weekend, or I'm not. I stream all weekend. I won't be on tonight. We got our first tournament starting tonight. First game for the tournament starting tonight, and then their games tomorrow are early morning. So their first game tomorrow morning starts at 9:15 to 10:30. So we got to get up there probably about like 8 o'clock, or about probably about like 8:30. So that gets over at 10:30 a.m. And then they have another game right after that. They got a game at 2. So yeah, I'll be Saturday's gonna be rough. And if they win those, then I go into Sunday, and then they'll have their first semis at 10:30 a.m. on Sunday. If they win that one, they'll go to the finals at 2:30. So they got a busy weekend if they win. So yeah, this weekend's gonna be a little tough. Bob, dude, thanks so much for gifting one membership to the A team. Appreciate that a ton. If Bob gifted you that membership, please say thank you to Bob and welcome to the A team. And yeah, make sure you join that Discord. I love how the entire chat went into coffee. I love the debate in the coffee right now. This is hilarious. We have derailed the stream into buying Starbucks. What is Starbucks stock at right now? Uno momento. Hold on one second while I look up my Starbucks stock. Let's go to stocks. I'm gonna go buy some Starbucks today, I think. Damn. Okay. Why is Starbucks they're getting pummeled, dude? Yikes. Yikes. Might be a good opportunity. Look at that. Look at the fair value gap between September and August of 2024. They're coming down. It just doesn't excite me, dude. It doesn't even excite me. To get to their all-time high, you'd have to be a 40% increase. It doesn't even excite me one bit. I have zero excitement for that. Like, is that weird that I don't even care about that? Like, it just seems so weird. I love your channel, the way you teach. You're a good, humble dude, and I appreciate you, Tony, man. I'm signed up for Discord. Let's go. Adam L's in the Discord. Respect. Let's look at Douche Brothers stock. We can. Let's look at Douche. We'll pull it up. Might as well, right? We're here. Dutch Bros. Oh, they're looking a little rough too. Gosh, dang. Whoever bought the dip right here, sitting 147% up since to the 23rd, so 2 years ago. Damn, a year and a half ago. But even if you want to get to their all-time high, you're talking 40, 43%. I don't know. I just not. It doesn't excite me, dude. Not that excited. That's why I think I moved over to crypto, because stocks are just, they're good. I mean, I have them, just not exciting. They're not like, ooh, I can't wait. Hit that like button. I appreciate that, serious. Starbucks will go bankrupt? No way, dude. Utah Ski Patrol went on strike. Park City, Utah solved. Really? Did they really go on strike? That's crazy. Oh yeah, Stronghold token. We are about to get paid. We will see. Yeah. Let's see what this looks like here. Yeah, it's definitely filled this. It's filled this. It's coming up here nicely, filling this. This is why this 239, this area right here, we knew that was going to be a nice little area of support coming back up. And it's coming down, filling this one. So yeah, the next level is down here, the 215, 220 to 215, 207 to roughly around $2. Let me get my fat head out of the way here. Yeah, right there. Boom, boom, boom. Those are your next levels. If we have a little sell off. Yeah, Michaela, you got to figure out how to join the A team and then come over to Discord and kick it. What's the dominance chart at? We can take a look at dominance. Right there. It's good. Dude, look at that. The dominance chart. That's not what I wanted. I was like, dude, that looks funny. We want the dominance chart right here. Look at that. Bitcoin dominance is going up. See that? Bitcoin dominance is going up. Right there. It came up through here. You still calling for a big dip like you were yesterday? I don't know how big the dip's going to be. I'm just saying that we were looking at the worst case scenario for it. Yeah, I'm hoping that I hope that we can get a cheaper price than where we're at right now. Yeah, for sure. That's a selfishness. I was saying that's a little selfish of me. For my swing trades, again, if it goes up, like I don't care. We got the long-term bags that we've been accumulating, so we're good there. I'm just, again, there's a part of me who wants to swing trade a nice little return on a swing trade. So yeah, I'm gonna try to find an entry point that could go there, and we'll see what happens. So again, that was, we were talking worst case scenarios yesterday. I'm not saying that that's what's going to happen. We don't know what that's going to happen. Things have changed in the market. So I mean, we got the ETFs out here. We got institutional money in here. We got a lot more that have built the floor. So yeah, it might not fall out like we said, or like we were projecting, putting up here for everyone to look at. Coinbase needs to list XDC. Did you guys see that Coinbase delisted Phantom? I thought that was pretty wild. Top 100 crypto, and I think it's a 60 rank crypto, and they delisted it from their platform, which is kind of crazy. Phantom, FTM, it's been around for a while. Yeah, they got delisted off of Coinbase, not even on there anymore. So that's kind of wild. Damn, dude, it's down 44% over the month. 44% over the month, dude. It just got delisted. Damn. So yeah, you gotta be careful of these, man. You gotta make sure you get these off your exchanges, especially if you hold them on Coinbase. If you hold them over there, it'll be hard to get them off. I was thinking that I assumed you would have Starbucks stock. I seen the comparison of someone who bought coffee every day, invested in Starbucks every day. Crazy. You're right, Jeremy. I know exactly what you're talking about. I've seen that before too. Let's go. Is it dipping? Yeah. Yeah, slightly. Yeah, slight little dips. I shorted at 235 and BTC at 95 on a 19x. Oh, damn, James. All right. Pretty much all older people have talked to about Okay. I don't know what it is. Hey, Michaela has become a new member of the channel. She's my mod over on TikTok, so appreciate you coming over here on the YouTube side and becoming a member of the A team. Thank you very much. You can now join the Discord, so definitely go over there and welcome to the A team. Thank you very much. It's good to see you on this side of the platform. RH is confused now. Has an article under SHIB in Germany. Oh, Robinhood is confused. Is that what you're saying? XRP has some resilience. I looked at the chart this morning and it was yet again, yeah, in the green, right? I'm with you, dude. It has shown resilience. It's hit this 2.5 marker, Xander. The 235 a lot. Came down 235, bounces back down, 225 bounces back up, 235. That's kind of been the trend of where we're at. This next 4 hours could be interesting though. I appreciate that, Michaela. Thank you. Phantom didn't get delisted. It's changing symbols, and Coinbase sent out an email saying Phantom is getting delisted. And if you keep reading, it changes. I gotcha. Yeah, I think I just read the. They should probably change that, Andy, because you read delisted and that's all you read, right? You don't read anything else. Yeah, Fan's a great teacher. She'll show you how to. She actually helped that. She's helped out a lot of people, dude. XRP will start going parabolic mid-February into March. Just my prediction. I think it's going to do well too. Q1 is usually pretty damn good. Oh yeah, I was going to try to find that Q1 chart. I thought I had it and I couldn't find it though. Let's see here. I thought it was. It might take me a second to find it. Oh man. All right. Damn. I can't. It's like forever down here. I'll have to probably go. I'll probably have to find it on trade. There's one on you know what it is? It's on CoinGlass. That's what it is. It's on CoinGlass. CoinGlass. There we go. That's what I wanted. That's what I wanted right there. Boom. I knew it was here somewhere. Okay. There it is. So you can see Q1 usually does pretty well for Bitcoin. Right now, at Q1, we're down. But over even election years, look at this. Look at the election year, 2021. Look at that, dude. 2020, 2021. Ethereum kills it. But yeah, Q1s look pretty good. So right here too, we got Q1. I mean, you can see right here, Q going into 2020, 2021, Q1's looking good. 103%, 160%. You know, we go back down to 16, 17. So 16 was election, 17 was 5. Right here, 518. Went up 518% on the election year. Went up only 11.89%, but then look at the whole year right here. It was looking good for Bitcoin. 215 at the end of Q4. So yeah, I mean, usually going into the elections look good. So they'll look at that. I should probably zoom in a little bit. Phil Bodybuilder. Yeah, no, I appreciate it. Yeah, it is, Michaela. It is a welcoming. The unfiltered chat's a little crazy. Just want to warn anyone that goes into the unfiltered chat. That's a little wild. But everything else seems to be on par. Joshy, thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team. You're officially now a member of the channel. Thank you very much. Welcome. And definitely go jump over into that Discord, man. Like the stream, y'all. Appreciate you, Linda. Hey, Austin, can you explain how to set your variable volume oscillators at the bottom? Oh, yeah, just type in, just go up to your indicators and type in, and I have it right here. Just type in the neobutane, Butane, Just go up to indicators and type in variable. Oops. Oh my gosh, variable volume oscillators right here. So, and I think to unlock, to unlock it, you have to be a member. You have to be a, yeah, I think you have to. So I got in on this version 1, but there's another version down here. I think, yeah, I think this is the one I'm using right here. So yeah, but yeah, definitely go check that out. Can this workday end? Stop dragging. I know. I'm probably gonna in 5. I'll probably be off here in about 5 minutes, dude. Took me the whole stream last night to figure out how to gift a membership. Yeah, Discord's fun, man. Discord's a good time, dude. We have honestly, dude, we've been slowly building up. We have roughly almost 352 verified members. That's pretty damn good, I think. For we haven't even been out a week. Tomorrow night will be 1 week with the Discord open, and we have 352 verified members. I think that's pretty damn good. I don't know. Maybe I don't know if that's good or bad. You guys tell me. Some of you guys have been in bigger Discords, so. Hey, no problem, Big B. So, do I get some sort of text when Discord starts? It's already started, bro. You can join right now. Get in that Discord. It's already up and running, bro. You got to click on rule. Go down to the rules. Click on tap here. You'll see the rules. You'll go and you'll say, I agree to the rules. And then you're going to go and click on the emojis and you'll enter into the Discord on all those emojis. Heck yeah, dude. That's what it is, man. I'm debating if I should buy $500 of, I don't even know what that is. All right, Viet. I appreciate you guys. Yeah, you guys have been climbing fast over there. 100K XRP. Damn, Hawaii Rider. 100K XRP. Is that how much you own? Or are they getting beat right now? Oh, damn. Yeah, Z Gold, it gets pretty wild. Discord is addictive. It is kind of fun in there, huh? 96, that's not bad. 96 cents. Yeah, if they reach all-time highs, you probably get a 3x on that for sure. Yeah, I'm using the one with the same email. Yeah, that's crazy. You want me to look at XDC for you real quick? Have I pulled up XDC? I guess I have right here. Yeah, it's climbing up, dude. XDC is climbing up pretty good. Yeah, XDC. Let me get this. Yeah, XDC is looking pretty good too. I mean, it's up pretty good if you got down here. Yeah, 300%. That's pretty good. Damn. Yeah, I don't know enough about XDC. I haven't really been trading it a whole lot, so I mean, I don't trade it at all actually. So yeah. Discord, but can't see anything except your live YouTube video. Yeah, you got to go check the other emojis so you can get into the other rooms, or you minimized, and so you got to go to the left-hand side and try to find them over there. Coinbase will let me future trade. Do I have to pay? You got to. You don't have to pay to access, but I think you got to put in your. I think you got to put in your your social security and stuff like that. I know. I need to give out. I do need to go out and just create a members so any new member can follow a video and see if we can enter it. Just added my entire bag for a buy limit of 2005. All right, there you go, Dave. I know. I need it. I'll get it done. Crypto 101 locked. What does it mean? Discord. Oh, I think it's when I open up the 101 to do a video to do we'll be doing some things over there soon where we just talk about one-on-one type stuff. Algo. Yeah, it's looking. I mean, it's looking pretty. I mean, it's holding up pretty steady right now. You're on a nice little rally right now over the last couple days. Dang, dude. Algos, yeah. You're sitting pretty good on the algo. It's up like 10% over the last what day? Yeah, today over the last day, it's up 10%. That's pretty good for algo. It's gonna come up fill this fair value gap right here. So yeah, that's kind of crazy. Sorry, excuse me. Whew. Adrian, thanks so much for gifting 1 membership to the A team. If Adrian gifted you that membership, please say thank you to Adrian and welcome to the A team. Make sure you go over there and join that Discord. Austin, when it's around our buy price, you will make sure we all buy higher or lower than we got orders in for. I'll say where I think things are gonna go for sure. Oh, thank you, Linda. But yeah, I'll let you guys know. We'll definitely. I'll be posted on Discord this whole weekend. I'll be talking on Discord and probably Twitter. So if you're not following me on Twitter or X, sorry, you can follow me down below at Awesome Austin. You can definitely go join the Discord. We'll be over there all weekend talking about prices and stuff like that too. So even though I'm not going to be streaming, I'll definitely be in the Discord. I'll probably be putting out some content as well. So yeah, with all that, I'm going to be hopping off here on this Friday afternoon, and just appreciate everyone being here today. And thank you guys for all the subscriptions, all the donations, and all the support as always. We'll see you guys over on the Discord side. Hope everyone has a fantastic weekend. Please be safe out there. And with all that, love you guys a ton. Peace out.